Welcome to Tips and Tricks. Today, let's learn about in English grammar a very important topic, simple compound complex, basing on clauses. See, first let's learn about there are two types of clauses. Let's learn about clauses now. Main clause. Clauses are two types. See, clauses are two types. Main clause and this is also called independent clause. Okay, this is subordinate clause. This is also called dependent clause. Okay, clauses are two types. Main clause, also called independent clause. Subordinate clause, also clause dependent clause. What is main clause? Main clause doesn't depend on any other sentence. It does not depend on subordinate clause. See what main clause has subject, verb, object. He spoke the truth. He spoke the truth. This is main clause. Full meaning. It has got full meaning. He spoke the truth. It doesn't depend on any other sentence. This is called main clause. Whereas subordinate clause depends on the main clause. See, for subordinate clause, though he is lazy, though he is lazy, he is intelligent. So, he is intelligent is the main clause. He is intelligent, does not depend. Sorry. Though he is lazy, though he is lazy, what next? So, though he is lazy, he is intelligent. So, here it is subordinate clause. Because though he is lazy, what next? He is intelligent. So, this is main clause. Okay. So, the differentiation is, see, if a sentence is having conjunction, it is subordinate clause or dependent clause. So, though he is lazy, he is intelligent. Though he worked hard, he could not get good marks. So, these are all, though he worked hard. Whenever there is a conjunction, it is subordinate clause. Now, let's learn about sentences. Okay. There are three types of sentences: simple sentence, complex sentence, and third one is compound sentence. So, simple sentence, complex sentence, compound sentence, basing on the clauses. See, what is simple sentence? Simple sentence has got one subject and one predicate. It has got only one main verb. So, he works hard. Simple sentence. He is the subject, works hard is the predicate. One subject and subject plus predicate is called simple sentence. Understood? Then next comes to complex sentence. Complex sentence has got always one main clause and plus any number of subordinate clauses. Okay. See, one main clause, any number of subordinate. Grammar is just like maths. So let's learn like maths grammar. So complex sentences contains one main clause plus any number of subordinate clauses. Okay. So what is an example? He got less marks because he did not study well or work hard, whatever it may. So he got less marks. Main clause. Okay, main clause. Because it has got full meaning. It doesn't depend on any other sentence. He got less marks. Because he did not study well. That is subordinate clause. So, complex sentence, one main clause, any number of subordinate clauses it can have. And so next one is, if you work hard, you get results. So, if, next it I write here. If you work hard, you get good results. Okay, so you get good results is the main clause. It doesn't depend on any other thing. If you work hard, what next? So the sentence is incomplete. So it is subordinate clause. If you work hard, what next? If you work hard, you get good results. So you get good results is the main clause. If you work hard is the subordinate clause. This is about complex sentence. Next comes to compound sentence. Compound sentence. What is a compound sentence? Compound sentence has got only main clauses, no subordinate clause. So compound is uh, inspired by. You are lazy. Same thing we are taking, same example. You are lazy, but you are intelligent. So, you are lazy, but you are intelligent. So, you are lazy has got full meaning. If you remove this conjunction, you are intelligent. So, both are having, they contain full meaning. So, this is also main clause. This is also main clause. So, compound sentence, it doesn't contain subordinate clause or dependent clause. Okay. See, you worked hard, yet you did not get satisfied results, isn't it? You worked hard. You worked hard. Wait. You worked hard, yet you did not get satisfied result. You worked hard is the main clause, and you did not get satisfied result is also another main clause. So compound sentence has any number of main clauses but no subordinate clauses. Okay, so what is the, in nutshell, we have to tell about simple sentences. A simple sentence is a sentence. It has got subject and predicate. One subject plus one predicate. Complex sentence has one main clause and any number of subordinate clauses. Compound sentence has only main clauses. Okay. See, there are some tricks in that. See, let's have some sentences and answer, then you will understand. See, in spite of, in simple sentence, and though, in complex, but, in compound. They go together. Three of three sentences. They are like triplets. In spite of, if in simple sentence, in spite of comes, in complex though it will come. Conjunction. And compound but. Okay, like we'll see. In spite of his good singing skills, in spite of his good singing skills, good singing skills, he was not selected. So, this is simple sentence. Okay. In spite of his good singing skills, he was not selected. So, how do we convert into complex? Though he had good singing skills, he was not selected. Okay. Though he had good singing skills, he was not selected. This is complex sentence. See here, though he, in spite of comes, though it will come. Though he had good singing skills, he was not selected. So, though he had good singing skills, subordinate clause, he was not selected is the main clause. It is complex sentence. Now let's see compound. He had good singing skills, but he was not selected. But he was not selected. Okay, understood? He had good singing skills, but he was not selected. So this is, he had good singing skills is the main clause. He was not selected. So but comes. So that is why I am telling you, in spite of, in simple sentence, though complex, and but in compound. Okay? Understood? So you should, in spite of comes in simple sentence, just close your eyes, you can write though conjunction, but in compound. Got it? So this is about simple, compound and complex.